Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's the homeschooled Nerfer and Fireball doing a guest presentation, and my brother Deacon. Today we've got yourself a mega Nerf War, and we'll see how it goes. You ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right, free for all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. first saloon. God, I really hope they got that. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Oh, so close. Oh! Oh! What the frick was that?
I didn't see what you guys were doing.
All right.
Oh, first shot of the day, people. Let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one. Mental note, fix the priming bar on this thing. Or not the priming bar, but the dart tooth that stops it.
Yeah.
All right, free for all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, where are we starting? Like the... Alright, let's hope this goes well, ladies and gentlemen. Alright guys, I think we're doing a free-for-all. Nerfer, are we doing a free-for-all? I guess that's... Oh, I missed. Alright, hold on guys, let me reload so far. Alright, we got Deacon up there. And so yeah, let's just go real. Okay. Oh, that was a bad shot. You did. Alright, let's... No! That went in the trampoline. Skills. Reload. Alright. Let's go. I got 6 bullets. And Nerfer just missed one, so okay. Oh! Oh. What the? Oh. How did that? What? No! A curve. What? Alright guys, reload. I am out of ammo. Yeah, let's hope this goes well. Because, crap. Let's see, is there any... Oh! No! I throw it. You got... Yeah.
Alright.
What? I have not loaded this properly. What? Okay, I am out of ammo. Dart. Oh, crap. Ring it over. Oh, God. Scared. Deacon's on the porch aiming at me. Yeah, he's gonna let me get some ammo. I found one. I'm gonna wait till my gun's loaded all the way up before I start fire. Alright guys, let's see. Distraction. Let's see how this distraction goes well. At least got a bit of cover up there, as you see. Oh God. is so not even fair. What? You need darts?
Sorry, I got that.
Alright, hold on. Deacon needs darts. So, as a friend, I shall go give him some darts. Let's go. And then I'm gonna shoot him. You know? You know? Here you go, Deacon.
If you kiddies could aim straight, I wouldn't need them.
Well, it's not my fault. The darts curve. All right, let's go. Let's hope this works. No! No! That would have hit you, but you ducked.
Oh my god.
Hey, you're out.
I got you. This thing doesn't turn. Look out! Oh, wait. Oh. I got you. I got you. You got me. Ah, crap. I got one. Bullet left. Too close. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, quick! Man down, man down. How dare you? Shoot me. Reload! Deacon. Oh God. All I hear is a whistle, and then I'm scared for my life. Hey, how's it going? I gotta reload. You need to reload. What? Got him.
I didn't shoot you as you guys were reloading. God.
Oh! First shot of the day, people. Let's go.
I'm taking the whole round.
Hero pose.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's what way it turns. Okay. All right, now that I know the gun turns clockwise, I think. Now I know how to operate it. Oh, I got it. Doesn't go that way. This thing doesn't turn well. I'm sending you some ammo! Alright guys, as you see I am out of ammo, so yeah. Let's get some ammo. Oh crap. Alright, I got 4 darts, that's 5 darts, that's new me. So I'm gonna be missing one. Alright. Nerfer said to bring it in, so yeah. Like and subscribe. Wait, this one sees your face. Nah, it's going to be. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, looks like I got stuff.
Anything to say? Yeah, Deacon.
I'm the strong silent type.
Look at the camera,
I'm the
please.
strong silent type.
We'll start. Is this it? No, it's the beginning. Where did we end?
This is like one of those unboxing videos.
It is. It's the first unboxing of our new Caleb.
You mean Fireball?
Okay, Fireball. Whatever. Editing.
Mega War Round 2 with gun cam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully this one goes smoother than last time. Oh! Yeah, in the face. Woo! Ow, that hurt. Well, this is already more interesting. Sorry, guys. Maybe the last sunset I see. I'll take it in. Get in. Game on. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but in here it's so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. If you meet Jai, all the way home I'll be warm. Three, whoa, oh! You next, Deacon? Bluff, bluff, bluff. Yes, I did. Alright, I think we're all out of ammo. Yep, and it's going out that way. Oh, that's just ridiculous.
You just hit the neighbor.
Alright, I think that concludes it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Anything you want to say?
No, I'm good.
You heard it from him. Like and subscribe. I'll put a link to his channel in the description box. You guys have a nice day.
Mega War, round 2 with gun can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just for the record, we're starting. Let's have a nice little shot there. Let's see here. Oh, it was so close. Where'd that dart go? Free shot. Oh, that was close. Let's see, can you see a little camera? It's gonna be a good shot right here. Is this a bad time to only have 2 bullets left? Yes. Yes, it is. No, well, it would have, but except for the fact that it didn't.
you